What are you doing over there? Oh, you found a carburetor? Oh, you don't know which rebuild kit you should order? Oh, well, we better figure this out. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to look up the correct rebuild kit for your carburetor. We'll be going over both Zama and Walbro carbs, but to start off we're going to start with Zama. The first thing we need to do is get the base model number. This is usually cast into the front of the carb, somewhere near the adjustment screws. On this example, you can see inside that recess there, it says C1U. That's our base model number. Now, we still need to get the sub-model number. I know you're thinking, well, what's that 125 on the other side there? No, that's not it. They just put that there to throw you off. To get the real sub-model number, we're going to have to flip the carb over to the other side. On the back, there'll be a laser-etched number. Here you can faintly see a W7C. That's the sub-model number that we need. Sometimes this can be really hard to see, like on this particular carb. I had to pull this carb off the engine and clean the dirt off of it before I could see it. Here's another example that's a little bit easier to see. There's the C1U on the front, and then on the back, this one you can clearly make out the laser-etched W49B. Now that we have our full model number, we can look up the rebuild kit. To do this, go to Zama's website, which is zamacorp.com. Then you want to click on Support, and then Parts and Service, and then Carburetor Lookup. That will take you to a new page. In the right-hand column, click on the base model number, which for us is going to be C1U. That will take you to another page with a whole bunch of sub-model numbers. Now you can scroll down on this page all day long, or you can just press Ctrl F to open the search box, and then type in your sub-model number. Let's look up the first one, which was a W7C. So here you can see there's a W7A, B, C, and D. Next to the W7C, it says to use W7D. Now don't worry about this discontinued thing here, that's cap. Just click on the W7D. That will take us to another page. This one has a parts breakdown. There's a parts diagram on the right, and a list of all the part numbers on the left. The part numbers that we care about are the ones for the rebuild kit, RB73, and the gasket and diaphragm kit, GND18. Now the rebuild kit will include the gasket and diaphragm as well as the needle valve and related hardware, while the gasket and diaphragm kit only comes with the gasket and diaphragm. The gasket and diaphragm kit is usually $1 or $2 cheaper. I'd recommend just getting the full rebuild kit, unless you know for sure that your needle valve is still good. So now that we know which rebuild kit to order, we can type that RB73 into Amazon or Google and order one. Next, we'll look at Walbro carbs. Walbro is a little bit better about putting the whole model number in one spot. Here you can see in big letters at the top the base model number, SDC. Then down at the bottom there's a 2185. The 85 is not part of the model number. It might be some sort of a date code. So for this carb our model number is SDC21. Here's a different example. This one is a HDC 650. So this carb's model number is going to be HDC 65. Next, we can go to Walbro's website and click on Parts and Service, or you can click on this big blue banner here. Then click on the blue button that says View Catalog and Online Store. That will open up a new page with a search bar. In the search bar, I'm going to slowly start typing the model number with a dash in between. So SDC D10-21. So our gasket diaphragm kit is going to be D10-SDC, and the full rebuild kit is the K10-SDC. Let's do this again for the other carb. So I'll go back up to the search bar and type in HDC-65. So for this one, our gasket diaphragm kit is D10 HDC, and the full rebuild kit is K10 HDC. So if we look for K10 HDC on Amazon, we can see there are a bunch of people selling kits. Alright everybody, so that's how I look up part numbers for rebuild kits for carburetors. Thanks everybody for watching. Be sure to check out my channel for more small engine videos. See you later. Bye.